Welcome to Hebrew Words in Scripture. This is lesson 49. Let's look at the word in Hebrew for mother and father. I may have alluded to the meanings of the word mother and father in earlier lessons, but I want to put it together here in one place so you can see the connections. We find both words present in Genesis chapter 2, verse 24. Therefore shall a man leave his father and his mother, and shall cleave unto his wife, and they shall be one flesh. Here we see father is the Hebrew word H1, and mother is H517. Here we see the word H1 represented as Aleph, Bet, Ab, and the definitions we see are father of an individual, of God as the father, the head or founder of a household, an ancestor, originator or patron, and so on. The idea being is that it is a father figure or the head of the house. And indeed, we see the primitive root is father. Many scholars hold the belief that each letter had an original word meaning, and by joining the meanings of the different letters of the word, there is a picture made of the meaning of the word. And so if we look at the ancient Egyptian meaning for the word or the letters Aleph and Bet, we see Aleph is cattle and Bet is house. It's not difficult to see that the original letter for Aleph was the head of a bull or a cow, and consequently, because it's a very large animal, it has the picture of strength and power. And so this is the common settled upon meaning of the word Aleph is strong or strength. In the image of the house is in a nomadic society would be the tent, and the letter shape has morphed into the Paleo-Hebrew image shown here, and so this could mean the developed meaning could be the strength of the house, or sometimes it's even defined as the strong pole, meaning the part of the tent that holds up the tent, or the support of the tent, which of course gives us the idea and the image of the father, who is the strength of the house, the strength of the tent, the supporter of the tent, and the supporter of the house. Simply to say, the father. Going on to the word for mother, we see Aleph Mem, pronounced Am, and meaning mother, mother of humans. In the case of Deborah's relationship to the people, the point of departure or division. In other words, mother is where reproduction takes place. The root meaning, of course, if we look down there, is a primitive word. The primitive word is mother. And notice in parentheses it says it's the bond of the family. This is interesting. Going to the meaning of the word maim, we have an aleph, which is strength, and we have maim, which is water. Hebrew women would take hooves and bones, sinews and skin, add water, boil it down to a thick liquid, and it would be glue. And so the Hebrew word aleph mem is strong water or glue. And so we see that the mother is the glue that binds the family and holds the family together.